Now let me continue my class of blood relations. This is the third session of our blood relations. Let us see question number 1. X and Y are X and Y are children of A. A is father of X. A is father of, but Y is not his son. But Y is not his son. How is Y related to A? How is Y related to A? How is Y related to A? Very simple question, sir. Let us see A. X and Y are his children. X and Y. A is father of X, but Y is not his son. So this relation is father-son. When Y is not his son, so Y is his daughter. F, father and daughter relation. Look at the question one more time, sir. X and Y are children of A. So A is father here. Character of A is father. A is father of X, but not Y. But Y is not his son. It means here, straight away the gender of X is given male. Therefore, A to X relation is father-son. And it is also given that Y is not his son. Also given that Y is not his son. It means Y is his daughter. Y is his daughter. How is Y related to A? Daughter. How is Y related to A? Daughter. Okay, sir. Let's go to the next question. Let us see question number 2. A is B's brother. A is B's brother. C is A's mother. C is A's mother. D is C's father. E is B's son. How is E related to A? How is E related to A? Look at the relations, sir. D is C's father. D is C's father. C is A's mother. So this is father and daughter relation. A is B's brother, it is given. So this is mother and son relation. Mother and son relation. Between them brother, and B's gender is not given, sir. E is B's son. E is B's son. Now you have to establish the relationship between them. Relationship between them. A and B may be brothers, or A and B may be brother and sisters. These two are brothers or these two are sisters. That is, A is already male. So B may be sister to A or B may be brother to A. This is confirmed. Now let us say this. E to A. A is E's uncle or E is A's nephew. E is A's nephew. Let me see the options we have here. Option A, cousin. Option B, nephew. Option C, uncle. Option D, grandson. Okay. So nephew. How is E related to A? So E is A's nephew. Let us see the next question. Question number 3. Based on the statements given below, find out who is uncle of P. K is brother of J. K is brother of J. Second one, M is the sister of K. M is the sister of K. P is the brother of N. N is the daughter of J. Let us see the options, sir. K, option B J, option C N, option D N. Option D N. Okay, sir. Let us see. K is brother of J. Let us consider these two. K is brother of J. M is sister of K. M is sister, means this relation is brother sister. If I know the gender, I can also establish the relation between J and M. Maybe sisters or brother sisters. Sisters here, because M is a female. M is a sister of K. P is a brother of N. P is a brother of N. N is the daughter of J. So let us take N, daughter of J. It may be mother daughter or it may be father daughter, depending upon the gender of J. P is the brother of N. P is the brother of N. N is daughter of J. P is brother of N. So this is brother-sister relation. This is brother-sister relation. Now what is required for me here? Based on the statement given below, find out who is the uncle of P. Who is the uncle of P? Now very simple, sir. Let us see. K is brother of J. So this is K is brother, means this is male. It is female. To avoid any confusion, I am writing here male, female, once again female, once again female. P is brother of N, so this is male. How many female characters are there here? If I consider this branch, these two are females, this is male and this is male. You have to establish the relation between them. You have to establish the relation between them. Therefore, uncle of, who is the uncle of P? K is the uncle of P. This is the only male character I have here. Now forget about J. We are not interested about J. Consider this part only. Here two characters are female. These two male. You have to establish the relationship between them. Answer is D. Note down the solution. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 4. R and S are brothers. X is a sister of Y. X is a sister of Y. And X is mother of R. X is mother of R. What is Y to S? What is Y to S? Let us see the options we have. Option A, uncle. Option B, brother. Option C, father. Option D, mother. X is a sister of Y. Let us take here X and Y. X is sister means this is female, sir. We don't know anything about Y. X is mother of R. R and S are brothers. Let us see brothers. So this is male character we have. This is also male. X is mother of R, means X is also mother to S. This is mother-son relation. This is also mother-son relation. What is Y to S? This relation you have to establish. Uncle, brother, father, mother. Uncle, brother, father. So let us take this as this character as male. Then uncle is the answer. Uncle is the answer to this question. Let us see the next question. Next question number 5. A is the son of B. While B and C are sisters. While B and C are sisters to each other. E is mother of C. E is mother of C. If D is son of E, if D is son of E, which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. D is the maternal uncle of A. D is maternal uncle of A. Option B. E is brother of B. D is option C. D is cousin of A. Option D. B and D are brothers. B and D are brothers. This is the question given. Okay, sir. A is the son of B while B and C are sisters to each other. E is mother of C. Let us start with this E. Mother of C. B and C are sisters. So this is mother-daughter relation here, mother-daughter relation here. These two are sisters. This way, this is one family. Okay, then next is family. A is son of B. A is son of B. So this relation is mother-son. This relation is mother-son. A is son of B. If D is son of E, D, let us bring one more character, D. So this is mother and son relation, brother and sister. Once again, brother and sister, same family. If D is son of E, which of the following statement is correct? Now you have to establish the relationship between these two. This is A, sir. So D is maternal uncle of A. E is brother of B, ruled out. Because very clearly given, E is mother of B. D is cousin of A, that is also ruled out. They are not of same family. B and D are brothers, ruled out. B and D are brothers, that is also ruled out because this character is female. This character is male. This character also female. This is also female. Only for the sake of your convenience, all I am writing. Now you have to identify. Option A is the answer to the given question. D is the maternal uncle of A. D is the maternal uncle of A. Okay? Note down the solution. Let us see question number 6. P is the father of T. P is the father of T. T is a daughter of M. M is the daughter of K. M is the daughter of K. What is P to K? Okay, sir. Let us see. M is the daughter of K. Let us take K here. M here. This is female. P is the father of T. T is the daughter of M. P is the father. So let us take the character P here, T here. P is the father of T. So this is father-son relation. T is the daughter of M. Sorry, daughter means this is father and daughter relation. T is daughter of M means mother and daughter relation. So this relation is wife-husband. What is P to K? Let me see the options what is given in the question. Option A, father. Option B, father-in-law. Option C, brother. Option D, son-in-law. Okay. Character K may be male or female, sir. Look at this. The relation is M is daughter to K. M is daughter to K. So P is M's husband. This relation is son-in-law. P is son-in-law to K. P is son-in-law to. Option D is the answer. Note down the solution. Okay, let us see the next question. Let us see the next question. A and B are brothers. A and B are brothers. E is the daughter of F. E is the daughter of F. F is the wife of B. F is the wife of B. What is the relation of E to A? What is the relation of E to A? Option A, sister. Option B, daughter. Option C, niece. Option D, daughter. This is the question, sir. Let us take these two characters first, F and B. Here I have B, sorry. Here I have B, here I have F. F is the wife of B. So this is husband-wife relation. Husband-wife relation. A and B are brothers. E is the daughter of F. E is the daughter of F means mother-daughter relation. Mother-daughter relation. A, B, E, F. A, B, E, F. All are over this relation. You have to establish male and female. Look at this. E is, who is E? E is the daughter of F. So this character is female. So sister option ruled out. Two daughters it is written. Okay. Suitable option is niece here. In fact, A is uncle and E is niece. This is the relation. A is uncle because these two are brothers. A and B are brothers. So this is male character in the picture. Once again a male character in the picture. This is female character we have. Just to understand the question. In the exam no need to show all these things because ours is objective mode. Note down the solution. Okay, sir. Let's see the next question. M and F are married couple. A and B are sisters. A and B are sisters. A is a sister of F. Who is B to M? Option A, sister. Option B, sister-in-law. Option C, niece. Option D, daughter. Let us see, sir. One character M, one character F. A and B are sisters. A is a sister of F. Let us see B. So this is female character. These two are sisters given in the question. Again this is female character. Sisters. Sisters. This is also, let us take sister. If I take F as female character, Now you have to establish the relation as per the options it is. M is male character. It is not sister, it is not niece, it is not daughter. Only option left over is, who is B to M? B is sister-in-law.